Hey there, Temu users. Today, I've got a quick and straightforward tutorial for you on how to find your referral code on the Temu mobile application. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Temu app installed on your iOS device. Once you're in, locate and tap on the U icon. It's usually represented by an account symbol. Now, look for the Earn Credits and Free Gifts option. Tap on it to access the earning opportunities within the app. Within this section, you'll find various ways to earn credits, and one of them is Redeem Cash. Click on Continue. Now start earning credits. If you're interested in getting your referral code, look for the option that says Refer New App Users. Click on it, and you'll get a unique link that you can share with your friends. Share this link with your friends, invite them to join Temu, and you can earn some money. The earnings can usually be sent to your PayPal account. And that's it. You've successfully found your referral code on the Temu application. It's a quick and easy process, and you can start inviting friends to enjoy the benefits. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. If you want to support the channel and stay updated with more helpful guides, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.